guess where we are? We're on our daily exercise walk. Where are we, Jeremiah?
We're in McCormick's Creek.
Oh yeah, where we go all the time.
Yeah.
It is raining today. It's literally the first day of fall, September 22nd. And on top of that, it's our first day of weather that feels like fall. So far this year in Indiana, it's just been hot. Hot. And it's been 90s, high 80s, and today it is 55 degrees. And we're loving it. So it's raining. I've got an umbrella. Jeremiah's got a rain jacket. We're gonna try and get a little bit of exercise before we go back home and do more work. Stand dry?
You said 4 letter words.
What?
Work.
Oh, yeah. Don't I look funny from down here? There's no room for you under my umbrella.
Under my umbrella. Bus stop, bus go. Love goes under my umbrella. It's a song.
All right, I never heard of it.
You never heard bus stop, bus goes, love grows under my umbrella?
Nope.
Well, we're going to have to do some education.
Look at these adorable mushrooms.
Like they're out
of a little story. Hello. There's another one. It's so pretty. We're in a fairy garden. What you doing?
I'm 6.
Oh, you're pretending you're 6? Okay. Look at this coral fungus. That's good too. Here we're getting into the campground. I guess we're kind of unusual. We like to sometimes hike through the campgrounds. I started being into this when COVID first started, and we really shut down tight, and it felt like you couldn't do anything that was normal anymore, and you really didn't even see people hardly. I don't know, I just started craving coming out here where it seemed halfway normal. I don't know, the campground life. Now we just keep on doing it. There are green walnuts all over the ground. We're having fun picking them.
Needs to go home and be roasted.
Yeah. Are these little puff balls? Maybe. Well, we just finished our walk. How far did we go, Jeremiah?
1.26.
Yeah, it's better than I thought.
Miles, not kilometers.
And it was raining on us the whole time. And we're not too wet. I have an umbrella. Jeremiah has his jacket. That was pretty fun. Are you ready to go home?
Got some hot stew.
Yeah, Jeremiah made a stew in the crock pot. So we'll go see how it tastes. See you later.